Welcome back, Crammers, to question 9. Teresa invests $2,000 for 3 years in a savings account. She gets 4% each year compound interest. How much money will Teresa have in her savings account at the end of the 3 years? Give your answer correct to the nearest whole dollar. Now, we know that the formula for compound interest is A is equal to P times 1 plus rate over 100 into NT. Don't worry, I'll explain. A is the total amount we'll get afterwards. P is the principal amount or the starting amount. And we see here that she invests 2,000. 2,000 into 1 plus, we're already given the interest rate as 4 over 100 into NT. Now, N is the number of times it happens per year. And since it's only once, we simply write this as 1. T is the number of years. So we see here it's 3. So it's simply 3. We can actually simplify this further. A is equal to 2,000 into 1 plus 4 divided by 100. So that's 0.04. And 1 times 3, that's simply 3. A is equal to 2,000 into 1 plus 0.04, which is 1.04, into the power 3. And we can use our calculator here. We see that the total amount is 2,000 times 1.04 to the power of 3. We get 2,249.7. 2,249.7, and we have to round to the nearest whole dollar. And since the last value is 7, this goes up by 1, and that becomes $2,250. Sam invested T dollars. The value of his investment decreased by 9% each year. At the end of the first year, the value of Sam's investment was 1,365. Work out the value of T. So what was the original money before it went down? We can see that it decreased by 9%, and 1 whole is simply 100%. If it decreased by 9, we subtract 9. And to find percentage, we divide by 100. 100 minus 9 is 91. Divide by 100 is equal to 0.91. And to find our answer, we simply divide 1,365 divided by 0.91. And we use our calculator here. 1,365 divided by 0.91 is equal to 1,500. 1,500. And we are nowhere correct because the initial investment is greater than the final one, since the final one is decreasing. So that means T, work out the value of T, is equal to 1,500. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.